Hello po muli sa inyong lahat at welcome sa Thursday edition ng The Stock Market Today, June 17, 2021. Ako po si Benji Chidoro, isang retired bank officer na nagsimula mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007, and I do this report every day, which I started last August. And if you like the content, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. I also report the latest news on your favorite and most active stocks. And if you have stocks in mind that you want reviewed, please comment on the comment box and I will prioritize. Ang balita po natin ay tungkol sa Megaworld REIT at ang resulta ng trading sa ating Philippine Stock Exchange ngayong araw, June 17, 2021, dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. From the business world, Megaworld's REIT plans to raise $27 billion from IPO. Megaworld Corp is putting 10 of its key office assets into a real estate investment trust, or REIT, that is aiming to sell $27.3 billion worth of sales or shares in an initial public offering or IPO. According to a prospectus filed with the Securities and Exchange Commission on Wednesday, REIT Inc. is planning to offer secondary shares up to 1.239 billion common shares at a maximum price of 22 per share. Si Ayala REIT, 25 per share yung IPO niyan pero ito lesser pa siguro to make it more attractive. We are going to launch the largest REIT in the country. This will be the largest IPO of a REIT. We are launching a total asset size of about 55.6 billion for 10 properties. The size of the offering will be about 27.3 billion, including overallotment. Kevin Andrew L. Tan, Megaworld Chief Strategy Officer and REIT President, told reporters on Wednesday. The offer shares represent 49% of the company's total issued and outstanding capital stock, assuming the over-allotment option is fully exercised. Megaworld will retain the remaining 51%. Through a property for share swap, Megaworld will put in 10 office, retail, and hotel assets with a combined gross leasable area of 224,430 square meters into REIT. The buildings are located within Megaworld's major townships, Eastwood City in Quezon City, McKinley Hill in Bonifacio Global City, and Iloilo Business Park in Mandurao, Iloilo City. Included in the portfolio are 1800 Eastwood Avenue, 1880 Eastwood Avenue E-Commerce Plaza, One World Square, Two World Square, Three World Square, 810 Upper McKinley, 820 Upper McKinley, One Techno Place, and Richmond Tower, which houses Richmond Hotel Iloilo. Mr. Tan emphasized that they will choose only the office buildings with Tier 1 tenants, mostly business process outsourcing companies. He noted that these office buildings have around 95% occupancy, with most lease contracts between 5 to 10 years. So that's our news for the day, and hopefully we will be seeing more of news on the Megaworld REIT. And currently there are two REITs in the market, the Ayala REIT and the Double Dragon REIT. Have I reported to you, meron pang isa, yung FLI REIT, which will soon be launched. Halos kasabay na rin ng Megaworld. Now let's take a look at what happened to the Philippine Stock Exchange Index. Okay, the PSEI lost 85.43 points, that's 1.23% down, to end at 6887.92. And kung titingnan po natin ang chart, meron po siyang resistance dito sa level na ito. Dito sa 69 40 to 69.50. Kaya po siya na re-reject dyan. But the PSEI is still bullish based on our indicators since the RSI is at 64 and our moving averages are still under the candlestick. So baka lang po nagko-consolidate ito yung PSE index. So yung market summary natin, 129 companies declined, 76 advanced, while 41 remained unchanged. The all-share index also lost 0.87%, while all the sectoral indices ended in the red, led by properties, which declined 2.56%, and the industrials at 1.71%. Now, we will be reviewing the most active stocks, but first, let me recognize some comments that I got from you guys. Ang sabi dito ni Makiuso, nice review. Thank you, Makiuso. And thank you also for your continued viewership. Si Rebeson Faustino, ang sabi niya, Sir, RRHI please. Salamat, sir. Okay. Unahin natin si RRHI. And then si Ellen Vernus, DDMP, sir. Baka you meant DDMPR, yung Double Dragon REIT. So, lalagay din natin yan. Si Edward Vicente Balmachea. Ang sabi niya, Sir, PHA po and MM. So, dagdag natin yan. Unahin natin si PHA and Mary Mart. Or si Anthony George C. And sabi niya, thank you, sir, for the reviews. Much appreciated. Thank you also, George, for your support on this channel. And I hope you continue to support this channel para ma-maintain po natin ito at patuloy ko po kayong mapagsilbihan. So let's now go to our review based on technical analysis. So let's now go to our first stock, RRHI. Okay, RRHI is, well, sabi natin bearish to. RSI is at 41.77 and our indicators are above the candlestick, which would indicate a bearish trend. Yung kanyang support ay nandito po sa 48.50 to 48.60 ang kanyang support level. Pero magandang stock po ito, itong RRHI. Kasi kung titingnan po natin ang review ni BDO Nomura on the stock, ang target price po niya sa RRHI or yung Robinsons Retail Holdings is at 76 pesos. Nasa 50 pesos lang po siya ngayon. Which means that it has an upside of more than 50%. Kasi based on the prices yesterday, 48.7 eh. Ngayon, nasa 50. So, 26, more than 50% yung kanyang upside. And that is based on fundamental analysis. Pero pagka-based po tayo dito sa technicals, bearish po siya on the short term. But if you can see, yan po yung potential ng stock, oh, napakalaki. And it had reached, yung high po niya is 70 pesos and 10 centavos. And kung paniniwalaan po natin yung fundamentals ni BDO Nomura, ay napakalaki po ng potential nitong RRHI. Kasi ano yan eh, yan yung grocery and supermarket line ni Robinsons, ni Gokong Wei Group, rather. So that's for RRHI. Then, Double Dragon REIT. Yan, Double Dragon REIT, nagkaroon siya ng red candlestick, but there was a long wick here, which means that at one point during the day, nag-high siya ng 2 pesos and 16 centavos and a low of 2 pesos and 3 centavos. Nasa 206 muna siya, no? If you'll recall, our IPO price here is 225. So it's way below by the IPO price. Pero look at the indicators. It is moving under the candlestick, which means that the price is already turning bullish. RSI is also bullish at 64. Yung support level ni DDM REIT is about, nasa range po siya na 1 peso and 90 centavos to 1 peso and 95 centavos. Pero yung kanyang resistance, nakikita ko po siya dito, 218. 215 to 218 yung nearest resistance, or 215 to 220 ang nearest resistance ni DDMPR, which is right now bullish. Then after DDMPR, PHA. Okay, PHA is well, sideways to bearish. RSI is at a bearish number at 41.5. Support is here at between 160 to 170 ang support level ni PHA. Resistance, actually, lagay natin sa 2 pesos yung resistance level ni PHA. The sentiment is bearish, as the RSI is bearish at 41 and our candlesticks or our indicators are above the candlesticks. Then Merrimart, okay, Merrimart ganun din. So right now, yung 3 main indicators natin, yung 20, 50, and 100 are above the candlestick, which would indicate a bearish trend with RSI bearish at 41. Ngayon po, yung nearest support ay nandito po sa 4 pesos. 390 or 395 to 4 pesos po ang nearest support, while the nearest resistance is here at 480 to 490. Now, guys, when I talk of support and resistance, these are not exact points, but these are areas. So after Merrimart, BDO. Si BDO, nag-pick siya sa 1790. Uy, nag-profit taking siya and ended up at 116.40, losing 1 peso and 50 centavos. Pero bullish rather pa rin siya. So the RSI is also bullish at 68, pero nag-profit taking lang siya today. Kasi yung next resistance level, I think I plotted this at 125. Mga 126 to 127 po yung nearest resistance ni BDO. Pero kung nakabili po kayo sa 100 level, naku, napaka-ganda po. Kasi yan po yung support niya eh. Nasa 101, no? So, matagal po siyang nag-consolidate dito sa area to. Yan, no? Between 101 and 105. Yan yung consolidation pattern niya. Ayan, no? 101 and 105 yung doon lang siya naglalaro, tapos biglang lumarga. So, BDO is still bullish since RSI is at 62 and yung next resistance na sabi ko na yata dito sa 126 to 127. And then Converge. Ito po yung isang lumilipad. Okay. Converge ay bullish. Kung titignan po natin ay nasa 2305 na, and tingnan niyo po yung line up ng ating indicator. So, sunod-sunod siya, oh. Yung 20, 50, and 100-day exponential moving average, which would indicate a bullish trend. Kasi yan po yung channel eh. And the EMA 50 is forming a support. So, yun po ang pinaka-support natin, yung 50-day exponential moving average, which is the blue line. Nasa 19.69 po siya ngayon. Ngayon, if we will be drawing a channel for Converge, it will just follow this trend. Actually, na-break na niya yung channel niya. Oh. Dito, lumarga na siya dito. So, bullish po yung momentum, pero ingat lang po tayo because the RSI is already overbought at 77.46. Ngayon, kung fundamentals po ang pag-uusapan natin, ang target price po ni BDO Nomura based on their studies is at 24.40 yung kanyang target price dito, or an upside of konti na lang to, siguro mga 6% yung upside na lang niya. Pero kung nakabili po kayo at 15, nakabili kasi ako dito sa area to eh. Hindi, dito pa ako nakabili, mga 15 pesos ako nakabili eh. Kung nakabili po kayo dito, then well and good. Kasi 23 pesos na siya. And napakalaki po nung pagtaas ni BDO o ni Converge, ano? And what is more promising is that there is volume in today's transaction, which means that in all probability ay maaring tumaas pa po in the coming days ang Converge. And then Ali, okay, Ali looks like consolidating. It's consolidating rather. It went up here pero hindi tumuloy yung kanyang breakout, ano? So nagkakaroon muna siya ng pullback here. However, our indicators are still bullish. RSI is bullish at 56 while our 3 moving averages remains under the candlestick. Ngayon, kung patuloy siyang bumaba, then and the indicators crosses over the candlestick, which would make it above the candlestick, then nagiging bearish na po yung trend. So that's for Ali. Then Ever. Si Ever mukhang talagang lumalarga siya. Oh. Meron siyang volume today. Wala siyang ibang news. Pero from the grapevine, maaring something is cooking on the company. Hindi ko lang alam kung ano. So I can only speculate. Pero may volume siya today, which means that in the coming days, ay maaari pang tumaas si Ever. In the meantime, meron siyang support dito. I can see it here at 22. Pero napakalayo na po niya. The second support level is here at 38. Yun po. That's for Ever. Then SMPH. Okay, SMPH continues to consolidate at itong area lang po siya gumagalaw eh. Dito lang. Oh. So, yung kanyang support level is at 36 while the resistance level is at 38. Diyan lang po siya gumagalaw. Although it is still bullish as the RSI is at 54 and our indicators are still under the candlestick. Then after SMPH, we now go to our last stock, ICT. Bullish na bullish si ICT. Tignan mo yung EMA 20, yung orange line. That is forming our support. So, ang support natin is nasa 147. It goes with the trend. The support goes with the trend, actually. So, again, if we will be drawing a parallel channel, it follows this line here. Yan po yung KICT. Kasi nasa 153 na siya, it has no sign of tapering off. Yung RSI is mataas pa rin at 68. Although fundamentally, ang presyo niya is 150. So right now, meron siyang target price na 150 na na-attain na. So abangan po natin, maaaring fundamentally na-attain na niya, pero technically, maaari pa siyang tumaas. Kasi this is already the highest level in so many years. Yan po ang ating report sa stock market, June 17, 2021. Ito po si Benji Chodoro, nagpapaalala, mag-ingat sa COVID at sa scam. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay at hanggang sa muli. God bless and bye for now.